Exercise 9. Alternative log-normal distribution. On cell B72, click on Define Distributions and select out of the Continuous tab a log-normal distribution function. The following window appears. There are two problems with this so far. On the first hand, we have been provided with three estimates for proved, probable, and possible parameters, whereas observe that a log-normal distribution only allows for its two standard parameters, mu and sigma. On the other hand, the parameters we're being provided are expressed in terms of percentiles, the 10th, the 50th, or median, and the 90th percentiles. Click on the three-dot icon to the right of Parameters box to select on the Configure Alternate Parameters option. The following window appears. Instead of using the two standard parameters for a log-normal distribution, mu and sigma, At-Risk has allowed for the alternate specification of three alternate percentile parameters by adding a third location parameter. Click on the Use Alternate Parameters option to activate options entry. Change the top percentile from 5 to 10. Leave the median or 50th percentile as it is. Change the bottom percentile from 95 to 90. Click OK to exit. Observe now that three percentiles parameters need to be completed on the following window. Click on the 10th percentile parameter button at the right side to trigger the appearance of the button. Reference an Excel range or formula. The following small window appears. Make respective reference to the appropriate parameter values at B73. Click OK to exit. Do the same operation for the 50th percentile parameter, making a reference to B74. Click OK to exit. And also, do the same operation for the 90th percentile parameter, making a reference to B75. Click OK to exit. The following window will appear. Click OK to exit. The function on cell B72 should look like this. Equals risk log norm alt, open parenthesis, 10%, comma, B73, comma, 50%, comma, B74, comma, 90%, comma, B75, close parenthesis. The parameters in this function tell the following. Build a log-normal distribution function with its 10th percentile, prove reserves at the value specified in B73 cell, 300. A median value or 50th percentile for probable reserves at the value specified in cell B74, 600. And a 90th percentile for possible reserves at the value specified in cell B75, 1200. On the probability bar on top, write a 10% on the left-hand side part of the bar, and also write a 10% on the right-hand side of the bar. This will shift both delimiters or vertical lines to the respective values at which the 10th and the 90th percentiles should be located. You should be able to see that the values correspond respectively to 300 and 1200. Observe that the minimum for this distribution has been specified to 0, since reserves can never be negative. The maximum has been established as a positive infinite, as it is theoretically possible for reserve to extend to infinity.